Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a flip through of my brand new colorful faith planner. But before we get into it, I want to do a quick unboxing of the microphone that I am actually using for the voiceover. So let's do that first. The brand of this microphone is Maono. Okay, so this is the DGM20 GamerWave condenser USB gaming RGB microphone in pink. So this comes in other colors as well. It comes in black, it comes in white, and of course I had to get pink. But if you go on the website, you will also see this but with a purple transparent and a black transparent color as well. So there's plenty of colors to fit your style. And as you are continuing to watch this video, please make sure that you pay attention to my voice in this microphone, okay? This is a very high quality sound and it's so clear and beautiful. And what I love most about it is that the colors can be customized. So basically how you do it is at the top, there are two buttons on the left and the right side. You just tap it to change the color to whatever you'd like, or you can leave it to change colors on its own. And the other side, you can mute your microphone. So this is really super cool for gaming, for work, wherever you're using it for, so that nobody has to hear what you're talking about. And this is just the lighting off, so you can see how beautiful the colors are. So this is such a beautiful microphone, and I just think it's a really great addition to anybody who loves gaming. And for someone like me who is constantly doing voiceovers for YouTube or recording, different videos, I am in love with this microphone. It's so crisp and clear, and I think I might be using it for all my next videos. Anyways, so I will be leaving the link in the description box below, so definitely check it out. Let's get back to the video. So this is my brand new 2024 colorful faith planner, which is going to be available in Monday start date and Sunday start date. It has 10 colorful covers that you can customize just as you'd like. I have a girl on the front for 2 of them, and I have just one color for about 4 of them. And then I have some paintings that I created using Procreate. So you can just customize it any way that you'd like. So the top has quick links so that you can access your year at a glance, your index page, your home page, your finances, and also your quick notes. So in the index page, you have a color palette already ready for you, monthly summary, note paper, and you have notebooks ready to customize on your own. You can customize the notebooks with the templates that are provided in the index, or anything that you've created on your own. You can just import it straight into your notebooks to customize it further. Your finances page comes with bills, tracker, challenges, subscription tracker, savings, expense tracker, and also each month comes with a money management section, which is also accessible in your index page. So super easy to use. And of course, a quick note section just so you can easily jot something down that's on your mind so that you don't forget. We have hyperlinked monthly tabs, hyperlinked daily squares for each day, and also hyperlinked weekly tabs as well. And at the bottom, there's always a motivational faith quote to really help you going for each month. This is what the layouts look like for the daily. And also I'll show you what the layout looks like for the month, of course, and also for the weekly. So what's new about this planner is that when you click on the month at the very top, you can go to your January, February, and so on summary, and it's also accessible on your index page. So I want to show you guys what my planner looks like. I've been customizing it already. I already customized it. The cover, I chose this beautiful abstract cover, and I added some stickers. So you guys will get a free sticker kit with every purchase of this planner, and you have tons of stickers to start off using this colorful faith planner. I hope you are blessed every single time that you use this planner. It's truly faith-based, and I made it with love. So I just kind of want to show you how I've been using this planner. The index is my go-to. I highlight the things that are important to me, the templates that I love the most. So for the rest of this video, I'll just be showing you examples of how I use the daily layout, the weekly layout, the monthly layout, so that you can get some ideas if you also want to purchase. Make sure that you check out the description box below for links to this planner, and of course also the microphone that I'm using for the voiceover if you are interested in it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I'm super blessed and thankful for you guys, and all the comments are so welcome. Thank you so much. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.